We're headed into Boston today. We're going to try to make it to Boston Commons for our starting point. We went to the front desk of our campground. They suggested we take the subway because the commuter rail is apparently a nightmare for parking on a weekday, and it's a Monday. So we're headed to the, which one? We're headed to the Riverside subway station. We are in enemy territory. Go Eagles!
Go Eagles!
Just in time for the 11 o'clock Freedom walking tour. I could use a beer.
I could use one too.
That was really stressful.
Oh, by the way, this is not his headstone. Guess who dropped down? Ben Franklin.
What'd you think of the tour?
It was great.
And it was fun.
Yeah, what else?
I liked it. It was like, there was cool stuff, and there was a graveyard, and there was, but it wasn't a graveyard because it was a cemetery. And then,
Oh wait, it was a graveyard, then it was a cemetery.
yeah.
So we had a really nice time on the Freedom Trail walking tour. Our tour guide was fabulous, and we learned all sorts of cool tidbits about the most famous historical landmarks in Boston.
We're gonna tour the Paul Revere House.
We stopped in front of the State House on our tour, but we didn't get to go inside. It's included in the Boston Go card that we purchased, so we're going to go inside now. You are Isaiah Thomas. Tell me about Isaiah Thomas.
You are the printer of the Radical Patriot newspaper that was in Massachusetts spy.
Ooh. You are who? Turn it over. Robert Patterson. Okay, we've had a great day in Boston. I feel like we've seen all the historical sites, and we're pretty tired, so we're gonna head back to the campground. But I feel like we really did the Boston thing today.